So you want to know how to upload your video to a video site? This video I'm going to show you how to take a video file, which you can see here, and upload it to a video site. In this example I'm going to use YouTube. Now, as you can see here, there are three things to do. You need to find your video file, then you need to create accounts at the video sites where you want to upload those videos, and then third, you want to know in advance what you're going to use for your title, description, and tagging. So with that said, let's go ahead and find a video file that we want to upload. Currently I am looking at my video folder where I store most of my videos, and whether you have created your own video or you purchase resale rights, master resale rights, private label rights to a video series, go ahead and find that. So in this example, I'm going to go to the sales funnel video series, which I created last month, and I will enter in there and I'll find a random video. So in this case, what I could do was I could upload the 6 videos to YouTube if I wanted, just so I could use that marketing plan which I showed you earlier in the first video, and I'll actually show you that in an actual YouTube account. Now I'm going to choose this video, and YouTube and other sites take different video formats. In this example we have an AVI file. Now they can take AVI files, FLV files, which are flash based files, Windows movie player files, move files, which are QuickTime move files, and different other files. So it's good to check what type of file you have, but most likely you're going to have a file type in that range. Now, for the sake of this example here, I created a Windows Media Player file. As you can see here, we dropped down to about 7 megabytes, which is much smaller. So now that I have access to the video file that I want, then I can do the next thing. The next thing is to create an account at the video sites where you want to upload your video. Now, there are several sites that you can upload to. Some that I would recommend would be Vimeo.com, Flurl.com, Google Video. As you can see here, you go to video.google.com or do a search on Google, and most likely you'll find it in the top 10 searches. Rever.com, Metacafe.com, and these are all fairly popular sites that I'm showing you right now. And if you do searches, you can also have video.yahoo.com and my honest to be the favorite youtube.com. YouTube is by far my favorite video upload place, simply because from my experience I have had a lot of success with good rankings using YouTube. Now in this example I'm using one of my many accounts. Now I use this account specifically for show purposes, but I also use it as a personal account. So as you can see here, I'm looking at subscriptions, and these are different subscriptions that I have. So going back to the video 1 where I talked about having parts like part 1, part 2, part 3, this guy here has a great example. Now he has about 208 videos, and every different video he provides different tips. And as you saw earlier, he said, visit my site or visit my newsletter. And here's why: because this guy had so many videos that I landed on 1 or 2 of his videos, and then I saw more videos and more videos, so much so that I got addicted. And when you create it in this fashion, in this marketing way, then what you do is you attract people who are interested in different parts of your video series. So let's say, for example, the sales funnel video series. I upload 6 of them. Somebody watches one, maybe the 4th one, and in that specific video I say, okay, you need to visit part 1 or something, part 2, in order to understand this. If they like that video, then they're going to go back to the other videos. That's why I sort of emphasize creating videos in parts. So let's go ahead and upload the video. The first thing you need to do is go to your account, click on My Videos, and you know this little drop down here? Well, go ahead and click it, click on Video Upload, and then we get forwarded to this page. So I've completed this one and this one. Now we're up to here. So I need to enter the information, the title, description, and tags. Now the title is very important because what happens is when people search for a certain keyword, if that keyword's in your title, then most likely they'll be able to reach you. So a lot of times it's good to start with the words how to customize your sales page. And in the description, you have the opportunity to tell people more about your video. I could even put a keyword here next to it. I could put it in a description. You might want to put some questions like, want to know how to edit your internet business. And then video category, this would be educational, of course. Basically you're creating tags, which are basically keywords. So once I'm done with that, I can go to my broadcast options, and normally I will do public simply because I want everybody to see it and I want to have the ability to embed it. You can choose the date, today. If you choose today, it'll automatically choose today, Carolina. And sharing options, this is by default. Normally I would leave it, I would allow people to comment on them. And it depends on you. If you just want to put the video on your website and your blog, and you don't really want anybody else to see it, you can say no. Don't allow comments. You can have people voting on comments. In this case, you could say no with yes, whatever. Video responses. YouTube allows people to add videos in response to your video. If you want that, if you want interaction, great. So we could do that. Embedding, yes, you definitely want to have embedding because I'm going to teach you how to do just that. And we can go ahead and click upload a video. And then the next thing, we want to upload the video. So click on browse, and what you want to do is you want to find that folder, and we found the sales funnel video. Click on open and click on upload video, and we'll wait to upload that 7 megabyte file. You can just walk away and we'll come back in a few seconds. Great, so we have completed this video and we have uploaded the video successfully.